Hello everybody. This is a pretty exciting video considering the Shiba Inu token. If you don't know, the Shiba Inu token it blew up. Let's see. We can see on the chart here. It blew up around May, the end of May, basically the end of the last, let's say, bull cycle that started in January or so. Keep that in mind. Remember what I just said. Shiba Inu blew up at the end of the last cycle. Now, Shiba Inu is just, for those who don't know, Shiba Inu is just a dog imitator clone. I'm trying to find the right word. It's literally the dog, or the dog that is the mascot for Dogecoin. And somebody just named it Shiba Inu coin. It was pretty much made for all the people who missed out on the Dogecoin explosion that happened from a tenth of a penny to nearly 80 cents, while Elon Musk was shilling it for months and months on end. He probably made a pretty penny on it. I'm pretty sure he made whatever he made on it. He converted it into Bitcoin, and then he sold that Bitcoin to Tesla in some way, so he can flip a legal profit on it and increase the value of his company at the same time. Pretty smart on his part. Whether or not he's a shit coiner, a person who dives into these shit coins like we do or not, probably does in his spare time on one of his side phones with side accounts, private accounts we don't know about. He probably dabbles in it, but whether he's in Shiba Inu or not, who knows? Maybe he is, especially since it's now being officially taken serious on platforms like Binance and Coinbase, for example. And we have Webull, who just got into it a few weeks ago, and now I guess we're waiting on Robinhood. And you see on the chart, I'll start with that. Once Robinhood comes in, all those users are going to jump in, especially the ones who made money on Dogecoin. They're ready for a rerun on the Dogecoin clones and Dogecoin again, as a matter of fact. And Robinhood needs this volume and the fees coming in, especially with the heat coming down on them and the Citadel group that partners and runs Robinhood Exchange. They need this volume and they need the interest in their platform, and that would lead to interest in their HOOD stock as well. So Shiba Inu coming into Robinhood is going to be a big deal, and we're probably going to see a volume spike similar to this. Maybe not exactly all the way up to the top of this range here, where it has to go back to, especially since we're in a bull. We renewed the bull cycle, but maybe we go straight to the 618. That's a double from where we're at right now. Keep in mind, very important information here. Look at the price action for this coin, and a lot of meme tokens, much like how Dogecoin moved over its first 7-8 years of its existence. You would get big moves up, and then 80-90% retraces right back down. As you see here, we went straight up. I think this was a $19 billion market cap at this point up here at 0.00039. We came back down to what looks like this support here, almost all the way back to support. And now we've been sitting in this range since the end of May, pretty much. But these ranges, we don't stay in these ranges for long. We're gonna break this range. The RSI, I expect it to, relative strength index, I expect it to hit top out. I believe once Robinhood comes in, and then we have full all-in volume from the world, basically, especially the US, buying Shiba Inu token. So I believe this is more of a short-term target. I'm here for long-term targets. I'm here to blow your damn mind with these long-term targets. But short-term target right now is a double from where we're at to go to the 618, the 0618 right here. With that out the way, this reminds me of Dogecoin, exactly like Dogecoin. let's go to Dogecoin and try to show you what I saw. I was privy to the patterns of Dogecoin before, for the past few years. Actually, I've been watching Dogecoin, playing Dogecoin as well as I could over the past few years. And once I realized what was going on, once Elon helped garner the interest into Dogecoin by the world, I knew that these patterns back here, these older patterns from way back in the days, they're no longer mattered. And what was going to start to happen was we were going to see a similar pattern from here to here happen here again. I predicted once we hit 1 penny that we were going to go somewhere around, I thought we were going to hit 79 cents. We end up going to 75 cents just about on the night of Saturday Night Live when Elon Musk was a guest host. I also let my followers on my Discord in the link below that it wasn't a good idea to buy Shiba Inu, or excuse me, I'm stuck on Shiba Inu, to buy a Dogecoin the night of Saturday Night Live. Saturday Night Live was the final top. That was the final act for Dogecoin. I like to call it Dogcoin. It's easier. And so I let my group know not to buy there and actually to sell most of their tokens. So what I see happening here is very similar action to what was happening on Shiba Inu. I guess I can't zoom in. We had a top, a rounded bottom, and then back to the top, and then we consolidated for months on end before we blew off and recreated this whole little pattern here. Do you see it? Top, bottom, retrace, or pull back, retrace back to the top, back to, I don't know what that is. I'm not going to be technical here. Accumulation, and we blew off, and we repeated this whole pattern again, and we're going to repeat this pattern in a longer period of time with much more volume. So we're going to see these volume increases happening over here. Let me give you a Dogecoin analysis while we're here. No, I need that one. I'm trying to get rid of the pink. No. Zoom in. I need to update the Dogecoin chart anyways. I'll get to that. That'll be a whole separate video that's coming soon. We're rounding up, coming up. Anyways, yellow line, orange line, you can see what we're about to do. We're about to hit that line. We're about to consolidate here, and then we're about to meet these next levels over the next few months. Ultimately, the end, remember what I said, the end of the market after Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, all those blow off and hit their all-time highs, the meme tokens are gonna have their turn. Their turn is at the end of every market cycle, because then you make as much money as possible. Exponential moves happen if you're smart and you're not greedy and you understand where a top is in a market cycle, in the meme coin cycle in particular. All profits end up going out into all the different USD stable coins. And then we hold as long as possible until we start seeing the bottom on Bitcoin happening. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the major top 10 coins or so. So same thing is going to happen with Shiba Inu. Let me put them next to each other. You'll keep it there. Similar thing is happening. Let's look at the months, as a matter of fact. I'm doing this investigation along with you here. So that was, the original top was 420, and then the next top was 510. Let's see how similar that is to Dogecoin. 420, around 420 or so. 420 was the last green candle. And also 5.8, 5.9. So it looks like pretty much a day after, or within the same week, within the same 3-day period after Dogecoin, Shiba Inu made its move. Can we expect something similar to happen? Absolutely. Shiba Inu is on everybody's mind now, so they might just happen at the same time. But what I want you to keep in mind is, keep this in mind. This isn't going to happen until Bitcoin and the majors make their moves. So the time to accumulate is now. I've been holding since 650, 650 on a a swing long, and I don't plan on selling until we get up here. This is what you've been waiting for. I 100% believe we're going to somewhere around here. How much is that? From where we're at now, that is a 30x from where we're at right now. How did I get that? I'll show you. Here's the secret. You have to learn Fibonacci extension, the Fibonacci extension tool first. Let me see if I can bring it up. First, you go to the previous structure that was made. Let's see if I can get a zoom in. You go to the previous structure that was made. Take the Fibonacci extension tool, mark from 0, from the very bottom to the top of this structure. So you should have 1.0 right there. Let me zoom in more. From 0 down to the bottom, 1.0 at the very top of the structure. And it's really simple. Really, really simple. And this is how I found Dogecoin's, near Dogecoin's top. Dogecoin, whatever. I'm right. It's called Dogecoin. Just feels better to say it that way, right? They should just call it Dogecoin. What the hell is a Doge? Anyways, so we had 9.236. Sorry, let me go back. 9.236 extension as the top. I went here, added it to the bottom of this, very bottom of the structure. Click on it. Went to the extension, added it here. You could have put 0.236 if you want to be really exact. I put 9. There's going to be some exponential decay on the price action. And what do we get? 0.00035. I did the exact same thing with Dogecoin as well. Let me see if I can repeat it. Did the exact same thing. And I'll show you why it worked. From here, somewhere near the bottom, to the top of that structure. No, this is actually what I did. Let's zoom in. I had to come here. I need to get rid of these moving average lines that are holding back the price. It does that sometimes. I went here to the smaller structure. I went from, let me see, this bottom, somewhere there, to that top, and then marked out from here where it could possibly go. What was it? I don't remember the exact number. We're going to say 8. I don't know. I don't remember. Too high? Too high. 6, probably 6.2. Yep. Let's see. Somewhere right there. Okay. This is how you can find the top of a coin during the end of a bull market. We're near the end of the current bull market. We're going to have what's called a blow off top near the end. So then we take that and then we add it to, let's reset. We go to the yellows, the overall chart. Go into the settings. Now we add 6.618. Actually, I wanted the green, right? Yeah, it was the green. Well, I mean, that's how I'll show you where Dogecoin is going to go. People don't believe me when I tell them where it's going to go. And then we take from this structure. We took from this structure to here. Which one was it? Hard to tell. Anyways, 56. So I remember adding an 8 there. Anyways, 56 was an ideal place. 1.0. Boom, boom. Depends where the bottom is. Same concept. You would have been safe taking somewhere 59 cents or so for Dogecoin. Okay. 1.618. So 4.618. Back to the 1.618 over extension 2. Looks like the 8. That's why I still remember it being 8.0. Somewhere right around there. So that's how I get an estimation of the tops of where we're going to go. So using that same logic, on the overall chart, ideally we're going to see a top somewhere between 6.618 and 8.0. Click on the gold, the overall chart, add that, and then we're going to add 8. We're going to add 6.618. And this is where I expect Dogecoin's next top to be. Between $4 and $5.76. There you have it. Now another safe area to take profit at in a bull market top is 4.236. You can say there, safe estimate. That's why I'm telling people sell at $3. Right there. And there you have it. Shiba Inu. I anticipate to go somewhere safely 0.00167. And market top, blow off top, end of the market when you should absolutely sell 0.0035, 30x from here. That's from where we're at now. 30x, and if you're leverage trading, I'm leverage trading it on FTX and KuCoin. Dear God. Dear God. Multiply that by 10. So if you have any questions, I'm going to cut it short there. A little bit longer than I wanted to go. But if you have any questions, you know where to find me. Thanks.